बस
So guys, this is not the all new. It is sealed pack, so it is all new, but it is pretty old, 5-year old. Apple MacBook Air M1 released in November 2020. We have it in the rose gold color. Got it from Chroma. And let's unbox. It is already unboxed, but I'll just do it for the user advisory, whatever you can say. Sorry for the weird cut. So I'll just unbox it. This super slow Apple unboxing. Vacuum unboxing. So this is it. I've already unboxed it, and I've been using it for like 3 days now. I'll just show you the color. All the accessories have been already removed, so let's throw the box outside. This is the MacBook Air M1 in rose gold color. In reality, the color is just like a copper utensil we use in the puja, but in the video it will be like somewhat like the M4 Starlight. So so the basic single finger open. This is my wallpaper from the Metal Gear Solid 5, the Phantom Pain. And that's pretty much it. Let's check FaceTime. Okay, quality is kind of decent, not bad. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching.